Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you a simple trick to copy the captions from Instagram posts. Since the Instagram doesn't allow you to direct copying, we'll use a quick workaround. So let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app on your phone. Scroll through your feed and find the post with the caption that you want to copy. Then, tap on the share icon below the post. From the menu, select the copy link. Then go back to your home screen and open your browser. Then paste the copied link into the address bar and load the page. Once the Instagram post loads, press and hold the caption text. You can select and copy from the options. And that's it. Now you can paste the caption anywhere you want. Hope this helped, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.